What's up, YouTube? Sorry for getting the idea to look at my ceiling and just probably funny to make that as an intro. Anyways, I'm gonna show you something I got at my church. Actually, I got two things at my church. They're the same thing. What is this thing? You wonder? Well, it's a doorbell system. But I don't have one of those. I have a second one. I need to get a flashlight to see what I'm doing. I don't want to push the wrong button. Because these buttons are so camouflaged. I think it's this button. Yes, I see that, but it's good. There's all kinds of tones on there. There's like hundreds of tones. I feel like they both work, obviously. But I'm going to see if it was just the Honeywell doorbell that I had for a while. I got these from my church for free. They this brand. I don't know if I want to show you. This is the brand. Don't know how to pronounce the brand's name. But I like these. I wish my church used this one. Some of the church bell. But anyways, that's it.